Alright, so here's what's going on. Here we have an iPhone 16 Pro Max, and this over here is a Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Now this is a dummy model, but that's exactly what the S25 Ultra is gonna look like. Now going back to the iPhone has MagSafe. So what we have is, we have a wireless charger and a built-in magnet inside the iPhone. That allows me to do some really useful things. So I can take something like this, which is a MagSafe wireless power bank. I can slap it on the back of the phone and it just attaches it to the phone and starts charging the phone. So now I have portable battery on the go, and I can do that without even a case. And you can see the magnets are very strong, so this thing does not fall off even if I move it around like this. Okay, so I want that feature to come to the S25 Ultra. And of course, there is word that this feature is going to come to the S25 Ultra via the new Qi 2 wireless charging standard. But there is some confusion around this whole thing, so I'm going to try to clear that out as much as possible in this video. Let's dive in. Now before we dive in, as you may or may not know, Samsung has made the S25 series official. They are launching on January 22nd, and you can actually reserve to pre-order right now. There is going to be a link down below. When you click that link, you are going to be at this website. When you reserve the S25 Ultra and reservation is 100% free, you are also entered for a chance to win a $5,000 Samsung gift card, which is mind-boggling. And this is just for reserving. And on top of that, you'll get $50 in free Samsung credits and up to $1,250 in savings on the day of the pre-order. So make sure to click the link down below to get started. So again, this is a no obligation offer. All you do is swipe down, put your name, your last name, your email, check this box to enter the giveaway for $5,000. All right, and then answer these two questions and then click the blue reserve now button. All right, and that's it, guys. You're locked in for savings, there's no obligation to buy, and you could win $5,000. Now let's dive in and look at the S25 Ultra, which I think is going to blow your mind. Alright, back to MagSafe for S25. All the leaks and rumors so far, pretty reliable ones, are saying that the S25 Ultra is going to be using the new Qi 2 wireless charging standard. The Qi 2 wireless charging standard requires, per the guidelines of the organization that sets the standard, the WPC, that the smartphone must include magnets if it is using Qi 2. Just like the MagSafe, so that accessories can magnetically attach to the back of a smartphone. So that means if the S25 Ultra supports Qi 2, it must have the magnets. So far, so good. But here's the problem. There are many counter leaks and rumors that are claiming that even though Samsung will get Qi 2, it will only get the Qi 2's faster wireless charging, but without the magnets. And to make up for the lack of magnets, Samsung will instead sell special cases that will emulate the features of the magnet. I'm talking about this case that was leaked online, which has a ring, which is basically a magnet. So you can attach accessories to it only if you have the case. So that would be bad news. And that could be very well true since we are still in the leaks and rumors phase. However, there is some good news that just came out in the recent days. So this is the latest. We got a statement directly from WPC, the people who designed the Qi 2 standard. And they actually quoted Samsung directly, and Samsung said this: the exceptional Qi 2 growth story will continue in 2025. You can expect to see Android devices supporting Qi 2 from Samsung Galaxy devices in 2025. So that is great news, and that's what gives me hope. I want the Qi 2 and I want my magnets. Now the only problem with that statement is it says 2025, so we're not sure if that's the S25 Ultra or if they're talking about upcoming phones like the Fold 7 or something. So we'll wait and see. Hopefully we get some new leaks that clarify this situation. But that's it for now, guys. Don't forget to click the link down below to reserve the S25 and get entered to win that $5,000 giveaway plus the $50. Alright, any questions, comments, or concerns? Drop them down below. Let me know. For now, have a fantastic day.